Hey math fans, test 13, lesson 3, grab your swords and let's go. Today we're going to review how to write rules for translations and how to read graphs. Let's start by writing rules for translations. Alright, so here I have triangle ABC, and I want to know what rule will translate triangle ABC so that vertex C touches line X. Here's line X, obviously. And remember, vertex means corner. So all this is saying, it sounds kind of fancy, but really it's just saying, what do I have to do to this triangle to make the corner labeled C touch this line labeled X? Now there's two ways I can do that, depending on what I want to do. So first of all, obviously, I could just move it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now vertex C is touching line X. So I would write that as D5. Now, if I just want vertex C touching line X, if I don't want these guys, I could do it another way, which is to say I could rotate it first. So if I do a quarter turn clockwise, I want to go the same way the clock is going. That will put vertex C pointing down all by itself, and I'll show you what I mean by that. If I take my triangle, and it's going to change size on me, but just ignore that, and I rotate it 1/4 turn counterclockwise like that. I'm just going to fix the size. Close enough. That would be my first one, would be quarter turn counterclockwise, and then I need to move it down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. So I would write that as 1/4 turn counterclockwise, down 5. And I'm sorry, I think I just said counterclockwise again, clockwise. I don't know why I keep saying that. But it's a quarter turn clockwise, and then D5, down 5. And that puts vertex C all by itself touching line X. So those are both rules that would translate triangle ABC so that vertex C touches line X. Let's look at another one. So on this one, I have rectangle ABCD, and I want to know what rule will translate rectangle ABCD so that vertex B touches line Y. So pause the video here and see if you can figure it out, and when you come back, I'll have the answer for you. So what I'm going to have to do is I need to get vertex B, which is up here, facing the bottom so that it can touch Y, which means I'm going to have to do a turn. If I do a quarter turn or a half turn, that would work either way. I'm going to do a quarter turn. And I'm going to go this way. Sorry about the size change. It's just kind of how this thing works. So now that I've done that, I've moved vertex B. It used to be up here, and now it flipped, it's down here. So that's good. That was a quarter turn clockwise, and then I need to move down. I'll be like that. I need to move down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. So it's actually the exact same translation I had before. And when I write it out, it looks like that. Quarter turn clockwise, down 5. And now vertex B is touching line Y. So that's all there is to writing rules for translations. So we are going to get to graphs, but first I'll ask you to just stop here and do this review. The question is, what rule will translate triangle XYZ so that vertex Y touches line A? So go ahead, pause here, and write down your answer to that question. And when you come back, I will send you off to watch another little activity. And for our second objective, which is just a quick review of graphs, I'm going to send you to a study jam. So it's www.tinyurl.com/studyjamgraphs. Remember, all together, one big thing, no spaces. And that's it. So get that done, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a good night.